Hi, I'm Kenny Stone, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching how to make simple zoom in and zoom out transitions in Premiere Pro. So, we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. The first thing we're going to do is, this is our clip. So, we're going to look for the transform effect. We are going to drag that and put it on our clip. And we're going to move to the effect control panel. And we are going to select scale, add keyframe. Now you can use position and anchor point, but I like to use the anchor point. So I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to move a few frames. And I'm going to click on the scale. And I'm going to bump this up to about 150. And now I want to align my subject back into the frame. So I'm going to use the anchor point to align and create a keyframe like so. Now, after I'm done doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these keyframes, go to temporal interpolation and choose ease out. Do same for this, but this time I'm going to choose easing. And that's going to create a smooth animation. Now, we have our effect done, but I want to add some motion blur. So we're going to untick use composition shutter. We're going to change our shutter angle to about 180, like so. And our effect is done. As you can see, that is very smooth. I'm going to interchange this keyframe, so I'm going to bring this somewhere here. I'm going to bring this to the beginning. I'm going to change this to ease out, and I'm going to bring this to easing. And now you can see that we've done the zoom out. Now you see how smooth that also looks. Yeah, so that's basically how to create a zoom in and zoom out transition in Premiere Pro. So if you want to create it between two clips as a transition, you can use an adjustment layer and you follow the same process to do it. Able to make it to the end of the video, I appreciate you a lot and thank you for watching my video.